Good morning, it's Brian here again at Spring One. The booths are open, it's like really humming in here, it's great atmosphere, a lot of great people, and Paul.
Hi Brian.
Great to see you.
Great to see you.
What are you doing here? What are you talking about? What's going on?
Yeah, we're here for the conference, for the Spring One Platform Conference. I've got a session on Wednesday, and we've been talking about persistence on Cloud Foundry, and how we added that feature to Cloud Foundry in collaboration with Pivotal. Also do something there for the Spring developers as well, because we've been working on within the EMC Dojo, we've been working on a new open source project called Spring Content, which adds the same sort of primitives you get for structured data through Spring Data, but for unstructured data. So it allows developers to write Spring content-rich apps in the usual Spring, really easy-friendly way.
Let's go back to persistence for a minute. So Cloud Foundry is all about 12-factor, right? Doesn't this kind of violate the 12-factor rule? Talk about that.
Well, a lot of people think it does, but actually we put a lot of time and effort and thought into how we were going to expose this feature in the Cloud Foundry platform, and we've chosen to expose it through the completely standard service broker semantics. So file systems look just like any other service. Just a special type of service,
right, okay.
But that's all hidden from the developer.
Okay, so I write to a folder in my container, and then it's persisted with some technology. What EMC technology are you using for persistence?
Yeah, very good question, Brian. So at the moment we're using EMC Isilon, and in the future we hope to be using technologies like EMC Skylight.
Very good. And so for the open source folks, what do we got?
For the open source folks, for the Spring guys, we've got Spring Content.
Yeah.
And this is a new open source project we're working on within the Dojo, which adds primitives to Spring Data for handling unstructured data, files, content, whatever you want to call it.
Great. So now you're telling me that all those I/O streams in Java that I love writing, I don't have to write those anymore because this library gets rid of that?
Absolutely. It gets rid of all of that. So all of the plumbing is taken care of for you, leaving you just to focus on writing your app.
Okay, great. Now you're a developer, right, working for the EMC Dojo, and you work in the San Francisco office,
Yep.
right? So you're practicing the way you've adopted new DevOps patterns, and you're also from other parts of EMC like me. Tell me about what it's like to adopt this new work pattern, new way of working.
Well, it's awesome, frankly. We both lived through the old world,
Yeah.
right? We felt the pain,
Right.
and then we moved over, worked with the Pivotal guys, we learned the way, and, frankly speaking, it's been no looking back, right?
Right,
I mean, this is
right,
the way forward, this
Yes.
is the way.
We would never go back.
We would never go
We
back.
would never go back, yeah.
Seriously. No.
Pair programming, extreme programming, it leads to great empathy, it's phenomenal, and we've adopted a DevOps culture.
Absolutely.
And we've created some amazing technology, all of which you can find out more information about here at the booth. Right behind me is the Global Solutions. We're talking about native hybrid cloud. We're here in the booth. Come see us. Paul, thank you very much for joining me.
No problem, Brian.
Great to see you as always. And for everyone else, we'll see you at Spring One. Until next time.